Hello, my name is Małgorzata Plechowska-Wójcik. I'm an assistant professor at Lublin University of Technology in Poland. The aim of my talk is to present techniques and principles of responsive web design. Main 5 principles and techniques of responsive web design covers media queries, fluid grids, images and videos resizing, removing essential content, rethinking navigation for small screens. Media queries are the root of responsive design. Media queries is a CSS-free model that allows the web designer to define different CSS style rules based on characteristics of the device the website is being displayed on. For example, media queries allow content to be rendered to adapt to conditions such as media type, like screen, print, or TV, screen size, orientation, or resolution. A breakpoint is the screen width at which layout adjusts or reflows. As the example, we can take UX London conference site. The first screen is mobile phone screen. The second one is tablet in portrait. And the third one is tablet in landscape. The last one is laptop or desktop screen. Fluid grids, also known as fluid layouts, allow the content to resize with the browser window, in contrast to rigid fixed width grids. A design based on fluid grids makes no assumption about a browser window size, and therefore the design adapts to devices that have different sizes and even to devices such as smartphones and tablets that can work in portrait and landscape modes. The main idea of using grids is to use percentage and proportion instead of fixed width. Flexible images consist in defining their size in relative units, an example percentage, instead of fixed size like centimeters or pixels. With these techniques, image scales to fit these containing elements so as to prevent them from displaying outside. Responsive web design needs to regard the device size. Non-essential content needs to be defined, especially in the case of mobile devices. The content for small sizes is the most important, so mobile first rule should be applied. The experience for small, medium, and large devices should be designed and validated. Validation should be performed based on user tests. The key factor in web designing is the navigation. Menu and navigation items needs to be tested to check if it's intuitive and easy to use. For example, Smashing Magazine is a website that offers resources and advices to web developers and web designers. This website is designed with responsive web design, and it is a good example to be used for analyzing and comparing different responsive web design patterns. At 1360 pixel width, the typical horizontal resolution of a desktop or laptop computer, the layout design of web page is based on 3-column grid, let menu, main content, and advertisement column. On 1024 pixel width, the horizontal resolution of some old desktop and laptop computers, and the typical horizontal resolution of standard tablets in landscape mode, the layout design of the web page has changed from 3 to 2 columns. The main content column has narrowed because it's fluid, but the advertisement keeps its size because it's a fixed width column. The left menu column has been transformed into a horizontal menu. Besides, the position of the social network panel has also changed. At 768 pixel width, the horizontal resolution of a standard tablet in portrait mode, all the menus of the web page are collapsed into a drop-down list. Besides, Both the social network panel and the right column with advertisements have disappeared. The goal of these changes is to adjust the content to the reduced screen and to focus the attention of the user on the most important content. Finally, at 480 pixel width, the horizontal resolution of a standard smartphone, the web page design ends up with a single column layout, dropping columns along the way the screen size gets narrowed. Besides, the size of the logo and the size of the search fields are reduced, and the label of the search button changes from search to go in order to gain a little more space. Color choices possibly differ on smaller screen. Typography size must also adjust naturally. The slide presents another example screen of the web page. The screen contains the portal section of articles. There are screenshots taken on a computer and on a mobile phone. The same page is displayed slightly different at those devices. The location and look of many is different as well as the size of the figures. Difference between web pages adjusted to computers and to mobile phones can also be seen in this example. Those figures present mockups of the two chosen web pages. Figures present mockup dedicated to computers and tablets with resolution of minimal width 768 pixels, as well as mockup dedicated to smartphones with small screen where maximal width is 768 pixels. Thank you for your attention.